Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to import CSV file contacts to Klaviyo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Klaviyo, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, importing contacts on the Klaviyo using a CSV file is a straightforward process really, because Klaviyo provides tools to help you manage your email marketing contacts efficiently. Alright, now once you are on the dashboard of your Klaviyo account, I need you to go to the audience and go to the growth tools, listen segments. I need you to click on the profiles. Alright, just give it 1 minute. Now, once you are inside the profiles, you see there's an option that says view suppressed profiles. All right, I need you to simply click on it. And what will happen is you would have an option that says export CSV, or you can simply manual add email address, but we're not going to do that because we want it to be efficient and fast. All right, now you see Klaviyo will prompt you to map the fields from your CSV file to the corresponding fields in the Klaviyo, like email address, first name, last name. It ensures that the data is imported correctly. I'm going to export a live CSV file. Just give me 1 minute. Now, this is going to be my CSV file. All I'm going to do is click a download, and that's going to be a CSV. All right. Now, once I'm here, all I have to do is click on the export CSV. There's no drag and drop option. You really need to manually click on the export CSV button. What will happen is you would be forwarded an option that says this one, suppression export in progress, and just wait for the update. Basically, what will happen is Klaviyo will provide additional options during the import process, such as specifying how to handle duplicate contacts or setting default properties for the imported contacts. You need to configure these options based on your preferences and needs. Once you have reviewed and confirmed all settings, initiate the import process, and Klaviyo will start importing the contacts from your CSV file into the selected list. Alright, it's a relatively straightforward process, because once you do that, what will happen is you would have an option and access to review the imported contacts to ensure everything looks correct. Check for any errors or missing information that may need to be addressed. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.